Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are sweven modern collage creator. You just need to extract this. It is 810 MB folder. It's available in WinRAR format. You can easily download from the link in the description. Just open this. These are objects. It almost 55 and camera, old computer, TV, etc. and chairs and other stuff. And these are people, eye, hands, lips and other stuffs. So these are almost 57 and these are pre-made collage. And these are shapes. You can check this. These are high quality PNG photos in PNG format, and these are also in PNG, and these are also in PNG. You can download from the link in the description. Just click to the link and you will come to this website. You can download from here. I hope this data is quite useful for you. If it helps you, so like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Take care.